The wrap-up. We've covered many of the fast action methods of monetizing your blog. The next step is to begin to generate traffic using social marketplaces. Blog-based communities like www.technorati.com and www.mybloglog.com, and to consistently grow your website's presence and position within your niche market. One of the key factors of developing a successful blog is in staying consistently active. You need to update your website regularly, respond to comments, and work towards offering an interactive community for those within your market. The more active and consistent you are, the easier it will be to build awareness and generate fresh leads and subscribers every day. Keep it fresh, fun, and profitable. Now get blogging.